in today's video we are gonna talk about mathematical operators. So basically there are four kind of mathematical operators which you use in your daily basis. The first one is your product, the second one is your division, which is your minus sign, the third one is your plus, which you could say your addition. Okay, yeah, and your last one is division, which is your divide. Okay, but in today's video we are not going to talk about any of these operators. We are going to talk about something special operators, sorry, something special operator, which is exponentiation operator. So let's see how to describe this operator in any programming language. So this is the sign of any exponentiation operator by two product sign. Yeah, and now how to use this. So let's see how to use this exponentiation operator. So if I have to denote any power on any number, I use exponentiation operator, because usually what we do in mathematics, whenever we have to write something on the paper, by showing the power of that number. Suppose if I have number 2 and I have to show its power, so I'll write 2 just upon this at the top by the small number, right, which is like I'm gonna increase the 2 by this number, by 2 number. But the same thing we cannot do here in the programming language. So that's why what we do here, we put double product sign between those, and this gonna like increase the power of the number of which we wanna increase, right? Okay, now let's see how to do this in the console log. But before that, let me tell you one more thing. Like if we have to take out any like square of any number, suppose I want to take out the square of number 10, so what I have to do, I have to just increase its power by 2, because in square what we do, we increase the power of any number by 2. So I write 2, and if anyhow I have to increase the power of number 10 by 3, which is cube, so what I do here, I just put here 3. So it means this is gonna increase the power of 10 by 3. So now let's console log this. 10 to the power 3, and now I'm gonna run the pro4.js. right, so you can see here the cube of number 10 is 1000, and if I have to get the square of number 10, I just simply put here number 2 and I'll run it again. Okay, so now you can see I got the output as 100, which is correct, right? So that's how we get the that's how we use the exponentiation operator. And now now we know how to get the square, how to get the cube in the JavaScript with the help of exponentiation operator. But what happens if we have to get any square root of any word, sorry, of any number? Then what we have to do there? So let me tell you what we have to do there. Like if I wanna take out the square root of number 16, so I just simply put exponentiation sign here, and I'll put here 0.5, which means like 1 divided by 2, so I can also write it by 0.5. So if I will increase the power of this number, which is 16, by 0.5, so I'm gonna get the square root of number 16. Let's console log this. Okay, 16.5. let's run this pro4.js. sorry, let me run it again. Not pro4.js. Yep, So now you can see the output, which is number 4, right? So in the situation whenever we have to find the square root of any number, we just simply put the power of that number 0.5. Okay, because like the same thing we have to do in the mathematics on the paper, we can simply like divide, sorry, we can simply put something in the square bracket and then we can simply like get the number, but we cannot do the same thing here in the JavaScript. We have to use 0.5 to get the square root of the number whatever we want. Suppose if I put here 144, and this is going to provide me the square root of this number, which is 144. Let's run this. Yeah, so here we go, the output, which is number 12. So that's how we use exponentiation operator. Thank you.